5 rules to eliminate laziness. Have you ever told yourself, I'll start tomorrow? I'll start working tomorrow. I'll start studying tomorrow. I'll start my project tomorrow. But tomorrow turns into a week, and the week turns into a year, and your dreams stay exactly where they are. The truth that many people don't like to hear is this: laziness is not a time problem. It's a mindset and system problem. But the good news is, scientists, philosophers, and successful thinkers have already discovered powerful ways to defeat it. In this video, you will learn 5 powerful rules to eliminate laziness based on famous books, philosophy, and psychology. Dart target number 1. Don't rely on motivation, rely on systems. Most people believe that success requires constant motivation, but the truth is very different. In the book Atomic Habits by James Clear, there is a powerful idea. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Goals are important, but daily habits are far more powerful. Successful people are not always more motivated than you. They simply have better systems. Instead of saying, I'll work when I feel motivated, say this instead: I work at the same time every single day. Small daily habits are stronger than temporary motivation. Dart target number 2. Make the beginning extremely easy. The human brain loves comfort, and it naturally avoids difficult tasks. When you tell yourself, I will study for 5 hours, your brain immediately starts resisting. But there is a powerful psychological idea called the 2-minute rule. The idea is simple. Start any task for just 2 minutes. Open the book. Write 1 sentence. Start the project. That's it. It sounds simple, but it works. Because the hardest part of any task is starting, and once you begin, your brain often continues automatically. Dart target number 3. Your environment is stronger than your willpower. Many people blame themselves for lacking discipline, but in reality, your environment shapes your behavior more than you think. In the book Deep Work by Cal Newport, he explains that deep focus has become a rare skill in the modern world. Why? Because of constant distractions. Your phone, notifications, social media. All of them are designed to capture your attention. So don't rely only on willpower. Instead, design your environment. Put your phone away. Work in a quiet place. Remove distractions. Sometimes the best way to defeat laziness is to make focus the easiest option. Fire. Rule number 4. Remember your reason. The philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche once said something powerful. He who has a why to live can bear almost any how. When your reason is weak, laziness becomes strong. But when your purpose is clear, everything changes. Ask yourself honestly, why do you want success? Why do you want financial freedom? Why do you want to improve your life? Maybe you want to help your family. Maybe you want independence. Maybe you want to prove to yourself that you are capable. Write your reason down and look at it every day, because a person who knows why they work is very hard to stop. Rocket ship. Rule number 5. Action creates motivation. Most people believe the process works like this. First, you feel motivated, then you take action. But psychology shows the opposite. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. In the book The War of Art, Stephen Pressfield calls laziness and procrastination by one name: resistance. And he explains something very simple. Amateurs wait until they feel like working. Professionals work even when they don't feel like it. Start working, and motivation will follow. Microphone. Conclusion. If you want to eliminate laziness from your life, remember these 5 rules. Rule 1, don't rely on motivation. Build systems. Rule 2, start extremely small. Rule 3, design your environment. Rule 4, remember your reason. Rule 5, take action first. Motivation comes later. Laziness is not your destiny. It is simply a habit, and every habit can be changed. Start today, even if the step is small. But whatever you do, do not stay where you are, because the future belongs to the people who start now.